In this video we're going to talk more about models, how to use them, how they work. Let's get right in. Let's begin. So here's our controller that we made in the first video called site. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to go into the models folder and we're going to create a new model. New file. We'll call it math. And we'll spell it right. Mathy, not just math.php. And then we're going to open it up. Open up our PHP tags. Can actually get rid of that. And then we're going to make a new model class. How this is going to look is we'll go class math extends ci underscore model. And in here is where we're going to write some of the models that we'll be using in this video. First of all, why don't we create a model called, we'll spell that right, create one called add function. And I'm going to make this public as well. I'm going to receive, no, we'll do that after. Say return 1 plus 1. And that should actually return 2, I think. We're going to save that. And in here we're going to create a new function in the controller. We'll go public function add stuff. That's what we'll call this one. In this case, in order to load a model, we go this load model, and then in colons and parentheses and quotations, we'll write math. And then to load a function in that model, we'll go this math and I believe it was called add. Why don't we echo this out too? So instead of the put a break tag in here, and then in the index function in this controller we're going to load add stuff instead of hello, and watch it go. Now what should happen is, if I loaded my model correctly, is it will be adding 1 plus 1, returning it, and then echoing it out. So we're going to see hi internet, break, and then 2. Look at that. We just successfully loaded a model and did some logic. How cool is that? Now what we can do also is when we're loading when we're actually calling a function in a model, we can go add. We're going to send it 2 parameters. We're going to send it 2 and 2. We'll save that, go into math.php, and then we're going to tell the add function to receive 2 parameters. So we're going to call it val1 and val2. And all we need to do here is, instead of returning 1 plus 1, we're going to return val1. I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this. Plus val2. Save that. And now, anything that is inputted in these 2 parameters that we're sending it should add them together. So what we should see is hi internet, line break, and then 4. Why don't we try it out? We will refresh this page. Bam! Just like that. Excellent. So that is some of the basics of models. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to ask me some of these things in the phpacademy.org forum. I'll be looking that up pretty daily. But yeah, thank you for watching this video.